I really want to be a scientist.
Being able to see science through people's eyes, which you're going to see in this museum, and having scientists out on the floor talking with the public, that's going to spark that imagination that much more. It's going to get kids really excited. It's going to allow people to relate to science on a personal level.
People are there and they're talking to you, and you've got the live experience.
Books just tells you how it works. And in science museums, they show you how it works.
What could you be when you grow up is a really fun thing. Do you want to travel to the stars? Do you want to travel under the sea? Do you want to find out what makes up the very tiniest pieces of our universe? Or the largest scale pieces of our universe, the stars and the galaxies and the cosmos. And so when you first get a person interested in this, when you first show them what the potential is, that's a really cool thing.
When you're in the planetarium, it just makes you feel like you're in space, and sometimes I actually think I'm spinning in space.
A museum is the perfect environment to help raise people's awareness about where we are in the Earth system and how what we do relates to the world around us.
There's nothing greater than taking kids to a new experience, giving them the opportunity to see it, and then having them come back to you a few days later or a week later and say, you know, I've been thinking about that thing that I saw, and then you as a teacher can take and grab that learning opportunity.
I came here today to learn about gravity.
I learned a lot of marine science that I really didn't know before. When there was stingrays here, and then I got to touch them, and now that there's starfish, and I got to just feel them for the first time in my hand and hold them.
That museum had a huge impact on me as a kid. It really promoted an interest in paleontology, which I had as early as 5, 6 years old.
I want to be a scientist because I want to help people.
Well, science museums are great places to motivate young people. I remember as a child visiting science museums and just enjoying the wonderment of trying to figure out how life works. And for me in particular, science became very important because I became interested in using science to help other people through the practice of medicine.
It just like opened my eyes to a new world. It makes me want to know more about science.
What we're doing now in our research program and what we're trying to harness in medicine is to restore the regenerative pathway and allow people to heal from diseases. All of the things I'm doing now as an adult professional have their roots back to when I was a child.
Science rules!
We have been dreaming about the Patricia and Phillip Museum of Science for so many years.
And our dream is finally coming true.
You've got a chance to get involved here.
This is very exciting.
Make a commitment now.
Let's make this happen.
Us kids are counting on you to make it happen.
We really need your help.